This video is just a quick demonstration of how to access articles in D2L. This page that you're seeing right now, you will come to realize is Nursing 160. It is Module 2, and we have a couple of readings here that we want to access. Students often wonder how to access it because when they click on it, the article doesn't instantly appear. So for the first article, if I were to click on it, I get a login to Camosun Library resource. If I follow this and I do log in, we will get to see that there's a PDF full text available for me to click on, and that will give me access to the article. If I were to go back to the module and I were to look at the second article, which is Jacob's, when I click on this, again, I would go through the library login screen, but because I've already logged in, it takes me directly here. I don't have a PDF over on the side. So what I have is a full text finder. When I click on this, it takes me to a bit of a rabbit hole, but if I continue to click down this rabbit hole, I will find that eventually I do have access to this article. So here's the access to the article, Reflective Learning, Reflective Practice. And that is the article that I can scroll down and I can read, which when I come back here, I can see that that was the Jacobs article. In terms of accessing it, textbooks aren't linked to anything because there's the assumption that you've bought the textbooks, but almost everything else will be linked in the D2L site. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your nursing instructor.